Hey guys, मैं हूँ Avishkar and welcome to my YouTube channel. I know you don't know me, but you don't know me yet. So welcome to my first ever YouTube video. I remember जब मैं 12 साल का था तब लाइफ में फर्स्ट टाइम मैंने YouTube देखा था और मैंने फर्स्ट वीडियो जो देखी थी वो थी आर्ट अटैक. उसके बाद मैंने काफ़ी सारे क्रिएटर्स को देखना शुरू किया जैसे कि मिस्टर बीस्ट, ट्रिगर्ड इंसान, BBQ वाइन्स, you name it, and I was watching them. And sometimes I also felt that I should also start making content. It's quite late, but here we are. So a couple of weeks ago मैंने decide किया that this is the time, let's start making content. But videos बनाना मेरे इस स्मार्टफोन से was a really bad idea. So after doing lot of research by my brother, not me, we came to the conclusion that instead of buying a good smartphone or a DSLR, let's buy a Gopro. So we bought a Gopro Hero 11. इस वीडियो से पहले मैंने ना ही कभी कोई वीडियो फिल्म की है और ना ही कभी कोई वीडियो एडिट की है. So this is my first time. So I'm trying my best. And now let's go to a beautiful place and let's see what this camera can do. सुबह के 7 बजे है और अभी हमने टाइम लैप्स शूट किया है. द वेदर इज सो गुड एंड लेट्स ट्राई अ टाइम रैप. तो थे सनराइज के टाइम लैप्स लेने बट इट वाज सो क्लाउडी एंड नाउ द सन हैज़ अराइव्ड. एनीवेज हम फिर कभी आएंगे टाइम लैप्स लेने सनराइज का एंड एंजॉय द शॉट्स. Was the GoPro Hero 11. I hope that our decision of buying a GoPro rather than buying other cameras was a good one. The video quality is awesome, the audio quality is really good. I'll keep on making my future videos on this camera rather than running towards iPhone or anything else. One thing I noticed that the stability of a GoPro, or particularly I say the GoPro Hero 11, is better than any other iPhone or any other cameras in this budget segment. And even the battery life of the GoPro is better than the smartphones. And even I can swap the batteries faster in this camera. And I'm not targeting iPhone, I'm just taking iPhone as a comparison with this camera and I'm loving it. And that's the wrap on today's video, or I'll say my first ever video on YouTube. And thank you so much for joining this journey with me. If you have any questions or any suggestions or just want to say hello, please drop a comment down below and I'll try to upload my new videos every week or so. I haven't decided that yet, but I'll try to be consistent with it. And finally, I'm saying this for the first time in my life that thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share the video and subscribe it too. And bye bye for now. I'll see you in the next one. शूट की है और ना ही कभी वीडियो कोई एडिट की है. That was a diarrhea of words. बोल. And that was GoPro Hero 11. And that कभी टाइम लैप्स लेंगे।